What the news is not telling you about XRP. Launched in 2012, Ripple's XRP token was to be the next Bitcoin, a cryptocurrency with the ability to settle transactions in 4 seconds flat, would surely take the financial world by storm. Yet, like all digital assets, XRP is often a source of confusion, mystery, and speculation. And there is a lot that you have never heard about XRP. Welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, the channel where we teach you everything about investing in crypto. Please like and subscribe if you are new here. Also check the link in the description if you want to learn everything about crypto investing. Ripple's XRP is undoubtedly one of the most controversial cryptocurrencies, as it is not based on blockchain technology, is not mined, and is heavily centralized. Not only this, but XRP has been facing fluctuations not only in the market cap, but also in terms of lawsuits. In reality, there are many things about XRP that you won't be hearing in the news anytime soon. So if you are curious to know, keep on watching till the end. These facts will leave you surprised. Everything you need to know about Ripple XRP. Guys, Ripple XRP has been the center of attention recently due to a number of reasons, mainly the SEC lawsuit, and the implications of these controversies are very prominent on the performance of this cryptocurrency. In fact, there are a number of things going on, and multiple scenarios are possible that are not even discussed in the news. So I'm pretty sure you won't have any idea about what I'm about to reveal in this video. But before that, it is important for you to understand the actual background and establishment of Ripple XRP. For those of you guys who don't have any idea, let me explain it to you. Guys, Bitcoin might command most of the public's mindshare on cryptocurrency, but Ripple is a company you definitely don't want to overlook. Ripple sells a currency settlement and exchange platform and issues the third largest cryptocurrency based on market capitalization in the world. But its value proposition doesn't stem from being a Bitcoin copycat. It actually stems from being one of the most unique cryptocurrencies on the market. Ripple wants to expedite the process of cross-border payment transfers and in turn improve the current global payment system rather than replace it like the company's competitors do. To accomplish this goal, Ripple decided to design their token XRP as a currency transfer tool instead of a medium of exchange. Underpin it with a unique blockchain that can validate its transactions 250 times faster than Bitcoin can, and eliminate mining as the only way to acquire it. Ripple's cryptocurrency XRP is popular amongst huge financial institutions like Santander and American Express because the token can significantly expedite these financial institutions' cross-border payment transfers. XRP is designed to rapidly transfer any fiat currency into another, allowing financial institutions to shift money from one currency to another and move funds around the world in a matter of seconds. In fact, XRP can settle payments within 4 seconds and process 1,500 transactions per second. This is refreshing and a lot more convenient for financial institutions who usually have to deal with typical yet complex global payment systems. While XRP can process 1,500 transactions per second, Bitcoin can only process 7 transactions per second. And coupled with each cryptocurrency's volatile prices, there's more of a risk that financial institutions will receive a lower amount of tokens than initially expected once their transactions finalize if they transact with Bitcoin instead of XRP. The XRP transfer process is swift because the cryptocurrency isn't nearly as decentralized as the other major currencies like Bitcoin. Now, coming towards some of the unique facts about XRP that will leave you shocked, and I am sure you have never heard these things about XRP in the news. XRP is too volatile. Banks won't hold it. Guys, XRP is volatile, as all other cryptocurrencies. Fiat is volatile too over longer periods. Banks are exposed to exchange rate fluctuations over a long period, and in some currencies the risk is too high for banks even to enter. There is no need for banks to hold XRP, as Xrp does not work by holding XRP, but by buying and selling it in as short a period of time as possible. An average XRP payment takes minutes, so the window of volatility is minimal. This short window is made possible by the speed XRP can settle on the Xrp Ledger, which is currently scaling at about 1,500 transactions per second, closing a new ledger every 4 seconds. The only reason for banks to hold XRP would be to participate as an exchange service between XRP and fiat. What do you think is the major reason for it? Tell us in the comments. There is no need for XRP when central banks issue digital currencies. A central bank digital currency is also a stable coin, but instead of trusting a third party, the trust is placed with the same issuer. Whether any stablecoin is a good alternative to XRP for settlement depends on the same parameters as fiat. Is the corridor liquid? Or in other words, are there market makers and takers enough on ends of the transaction? The Xrp Ledger works as a peer-to-peer network of participating nodes. Each node trusts a number of validators, which is defined for itself, but the consistency of the network depends on different servers choosing lists that have a high degree of overlap. The first part of consensus is agreeing which transactions to include in the upcoming ledger. The second part of consensus is validation. Each validator validates the transactions independently, resulting in an identifying hash of the ledger. This hash is used to compare the results amongst a validator, and if consensus is met, the winning version of the ledger is used. Disagreeing validators either computes a new correct ledger or retrieves it as needed. Xrp has a lot of hidden fees that is returned to Ripple. Guys, this is a shocking thing. Using the Xrp Ledger has a cost, and in most cases, you decide for yourself how big the cost is above the minimum fee, which is 0.00001 XRP. The size of the fee determines how transaction is prioritized by the validators, so a higher fee than the minimum will guarantee a faster transaction. Unlike other blockchains, the fee is neither returned to Essential Authority or paid as a reward to the validators, but it is burned, making XRP a deflationary currency. Ripple can print more XRP. Since the Xrp Ledger first started in January 2013, more than 45 million ledgers have been closed successfully. The ledger was born with 100 billion XRP and is hard-coded into the software. There are no current methods of functionality to add XRP into the code, so if for any reason new XRP should be printed, it would require a major code change and adaptation on the complete network of XRP validators. Since the ledger is decentralized, no single authority can decide to do this as with any other decentralized blockchain. The only way to change the amount of XRP on the network, which any user can do, is by using it every time a transaction is made. A fee is burned, and the amount burned will never be available again. Ripple controls the market price of XRP. As Ripple holds a majority of XRP, around 60%, it is a natural part of their revenue model. Although the majority stake, the large amount of XRP, is not accessible to the company on regular terms. They are locked in escrow with 1 billion released every month. The decision to move 55 billion XRP to escrow was made public in May 2017 and was effectuated in December 2017. Ripple's revenue model is Xrp. If the revenue model is pumping XRP and exiting, they would first have to solve the issue of pumping and dumping on the market, which is unrealistic due to selling clauses and price manipulation problematics. So for Ripple to successfully increase the price of XRP, they have to build products that either appear to work and sell the world a lie, or actually build products that work and let the price of XRP increase by the utility. It is a knife edge for Ripple. The only way for Ripple to succeed by owning a large portion of XRP is by making XRP valuable in the free market without controlling it. This unique setting makes it impossible, or at least directly stupid, for Ripple to make any decisions that the market does not dictate is best for XRP. Ripple pays companies to appear to have more customers. I bet you guys didn't know about this. But this misunderstanding is partly based on speculation that Ripple sells XRP to banks and clients with a discount. The RippleNet Accelerator program Ripple announced in October 2017. Quote, starting today, Ripple will offer a unique reward for financial institutions that are the first in their markets to process and promote commercial payments on RippleNet. The reward will come in the form of rebates to the new RippleNet Accelerator program, end quote. So in part, the misunderstanding is not a misunderstanding at all, but it is highlighting an incentive program by Ripple to onboard clients and grow the XRP ecosystem. Paying to promote a product is not uncommon, and especially in the cryptocurrency business, it is common practice, e.g. for exchanges to take listing fees. And in businesses elsewhere, incentive programs are a common phenomenon to retain employees and customers. So guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. What do you guys think about all these facts about XRP that are never shared in the news? Tell us in the comments section below. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. And thanks for watching.